do a few tests. Let's see. I got a funny one. Where's a funny one? Here's another test. I have a German friend and a Czech one and a Czech one too. Mike, anyone got a mic in the building? Testing 1, 2, 3. Castle guards. Why am I drawing plates and armor? Let's see. There is a blender here somewhere. Okay. Okay, so these guards. I'm gonna probably want to draw them once I move this into Painter. So I can't get myself to leave it just like this with no plating on top or no idea how to draw plating. So I figure maybe I should just learn how to do some plating. So that's where this pure ref file comes in. I can figure out how to monkey around in here. Oh, here it is. I have to hold down Alt, and it'll let me come inside. Alright. Let's see. Maybe I'll draw this plate. Practice plating something. I played it a bit yesterday, but I didn't record it. So let's do some drawing. So exciting. And then after that, I'll reward myself with some sweets. Because I did something good for myself. Plating. Ba-da-dum. Alright. Let's see, does my pen still work? Hopefully I don't have to set that up, right? That would be funny. Set up all my stuff again. I need a be right back screen. I was thinking of using my highlights as a quick be right back. But I do want to make something more interesting that would show my art. But so that's something. No, I just saw somebody with a really nice little figurines of cutesy I don't know, be right back stuff. Cutesy characters that they designed. Trying to come up with the words, I can't even remember. But yeah, that would be cool if I had that. But I don't know, I don't draw cutesy characters. I haven't had the excitement of doing that. Yes, V, you are the man. Made a delete button. I also made a little timer, but that's me just being crazy. Alright, let's do a paint armor. It's like spray on abs for 3D models. Okay, so what do I see here? I see a box for the top of the head, I guess. And then what's the other shape? What other archetypes do I notice? It looks like a triangle. Right? A triangle kind of thing. It takes up most of this second half. Well, I'll just do the bigger box here. The other culprit is another box. Yeah! Okay, so let's divide this box in half, roughly. I should do this more often. And then, I guess halfway down, almost halfway down, a third of the way down, we have another box. And in this box, that's where the arm sits, right? And it's also rounded, so let's just do the rounds so it kind of looks round. Yeah, there it is. Give it some roundness. There. Nice. I want to switch up music. I have this mixtape that I made for you guys. Let's put it on. There we go. I wonder if it's coming in through the music. Oh, it is. I think it is. I'm hoping that What am I hoping for? I'm hoping that voice mod is able to send it to the right place. Let's see what happens. This could be a complete thickening. What time is it? I don't know. I don't even have a clock. It's funny, there is a clock, but I can't see the damn clock, so what's the point? Ugh. What the beep? Here's the clock. It's almost 9. I think that was a good tutorial for me. This armor is required for the Spartans to fight. What is this? Some filler stuff here. Okay. So I guess this is where the whatever the design of his plate goes. Progress, not perfection. We'll get better. I promise you. Yeah. Nice. This is very cool. It's got a little pattern going up this way. Nice. So we got a little plate going here. Couldn't resist, could you, V, right? Couldn't resist to detailing. Nicey, nicey, nicey. What a plate you got there. Alright, let's call it here. Alright, guys. I need another screen, apparently, because there's no me screen. It's a really small screen of me at the bottom over there, or there somewhere. Alright. I'll see you guys later. Have a good night.